Hi everyone, welcome back to Beerage. As you noticed, my team has got my table back. Thanks to your efforts of telling my team that please give Vinod this table back. The team has been reading your comments and they finally have decided to give my table back. So thank you for all the comments. But do make sure you do mention these comments are liked, because some of my editors and team members are very sensitive and they seem to take it very harsh when you pass any comments which are a little critical. Keep the comments critical to me. I don't mind. You can call me a clown. You can call me an idiot. You can call me anything you wish. But do keep my team in mind when you say about the editing or anything to do with the setup, because they take it to heart, unlike me. I have a thick skin. So what did I want to talk about today? I want to talk about today about the FIIs again, because a lot of you are very confused with these FI data which I'm sharing in our Instagram group. Every day I share, and how FIIs are net buyers. It's been happening. Yes, they are been very carefully picking stocks in the market, and they've been doing some block deals in the market. So today I thought I'll tell you what is a block deal. And for instance, yesterday there's a company called JB Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals Limited. KKR offloaded to Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund a volume of 9 million shares at a transaction price of 1,625 per share, total value of 1,460 crores. That's a lot of money. Same way, Max Financial Services, they offloaded some shares to Prudential Mutual Funds, Morgan Stanley, and all that was valued around 611 crores. Meanwhile, Graviton Research Capital LLP has bought RH Magnestia India. I don't even know what these companies do. Pharmaceutical, yes, I know, but these I do not know what they do. But they also a value of almost 120 crores. These are smaller amounts. But block deals, these are the ones which I could find on NSE of what happened yesterday. What happened in BSE, I could not pull down the information. But there also you'll find information on block deals. So when the FI data comes to you, it is all these block deals also which are combined. That's why I say it's very hard to see what the FIs are really doing when we say the net buyers, net sellers. How does it affect us? Well, like in the case of the Nifty video I was talking about, when companies pulled out of Nifty, price is correct. A company goes into Nifty, price is correct. Same way, when these block deals happen, price is correct, and it gives us opportunity for retail investors like you and me to get inside and buy some. So when we're talking about get inside and buy some and companies offloading, what are these volumes of bulk deals which we're talking about? In bulk deals, there are two types. One is called the block deal, which are size of 5 lakh shares or more, or 10 crores or more. And block deals are 0.5 of the total shares. So bulk deals are much smaller compared to block deals. Trading windows, they have a separate morning and afternoon trading windows for block deals. Bulk deals can occur during normal trading hours and or block deal windows if the criteria are met. The price impact in block deals, they can be very minimal because these are already agreed upon. Hands have been shook and prices have been agreed, so everything is done and has very minimal effect because the trading windows are different. But bulk deals can influence prices in real time. So if we see a share price suddenly zooming or suddenly crashing, it could be due to a bulk deal happening. But usually block deals like this, what I said about JB Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals, those do not affect the price as you see in the market. Reporting time, as soon as they're executed, block deals, they're reported, and bulk deals, they're reported in a specific time frame, which is means the end of the day. Disclosure, block deals, the buyers and sellers usually disclose immediately saying we did this deal. It comes in the news. You'll see it in Twitter, you'll see it in social media appearing. And in case of bulk deals, names are disclosed after the whole thing is completed. Participants, same way, in block deals, usually institutional investors are the ones, you and me do not get to participate in it, but retail investors do get to participate in bulk deals. So if you are a retail investor and you plan to buy into a company in a large volume, your deals will usually be considered like a bulk deal. And what is the reason for this? Usually a block deal is done for strategic reason, for stakes, like mutual fund, Kotak Mutual Fund. Otherwise, everything else in bulk deal falls under portfolio adjusting. So someone who's a high net worth individual, he's rejigging his portfolio. He doesn't want to be in automobile sector now because of what Trump is doing. He suddenly has decided to move into another sector, defensive stocks as they say. So he dumps his automotive stocks and he's moving. So those are like strategic reasons, for portfolio adjustments. Retail investment participation, like I said, in bulk deals, retail investors can participate. In block deals, retail investors are not present. So this kind of gives you an idea about block deals and bulk deals. This is just purely knowledge, general knowledge for you and me, Tiffin Coffee investors. Other than just being knowledge, it really doesn't serve us any other purpose. But today, the market was opened positively, then it got hammered through the day. So today I was looking at Dr. Reddy. But of course, other than Dr. Reddy, you have lots of our companies in our list which are looking very juicy, as Anand would say. Like, IndusInd Bank, IDFC. IndusInd Bank is down almost a 4%. IDFC is almost down 3.5%. Natco Pharma, Cipla. Cipla is still expensive in my books. For those of you who want to consider, can consider. I would say it's on the fence of becoming expensive and not expensive. So depends on what you feel. Tejas Net has corrected also. Most of the stocks we're looking. South Indian Bank, Karnataka Bank. Dr. Reddy is what I was looking at. Dr. Reddy at these price points, I never thought I'll be able to afford it. I remember me and Dana doing a video about it in our podcast probably 9 months back, before they did the split. Yeah, 6 months before they did the split. And Dr. Reddy was 6,000 rupees a share. And we were like, whoa, imagine we can buy Dr. Reddy. You're like, we're all whining about it. And all of you in the comments are also, oh, we can't afford Dr. Reddy, 6,000, not Tiffin Coffee range. Then the split happened, after split correction happened, and profit booking happened, and now Trump happened. And now Dr. Reddy is available in reach. But then what happens now? Now your mind wakes up. The angel and the devil in your shoulders wake up and they start whispering in your ears. Are you sure you should buy Dr. Reddy now? Maybe it will correct some more. Maybe something is wrong with Dr. Reddy, 6 months back, it was all okay, but maybe something has happened. These are the voices that whisper in your head, and I understand them. I can relate, but you should know when you should listen to those voices and when you should trust your research and the work you've done. So one is instincts. Instincts are what you feel, gut feel. You feel in your stomach. Sometimes you feel like going after the ball. Something tells you to go for it, swing at it. But then cool mind will tell you, listen, you've already lost 9 wickets. You're the last recognized batsman. If you get out now in the 7th over with 14, 13 more overs left, the crowd is going to kill you. Your teammates will kill you. You rather stand here and try to save and score a few runs and come to the last few overs. So there you go. Try and strategize. Be mindful of where you stand. Like I said, assess, and invest in small incremental steps. You'll be fine. These markets are great opportunities to invest. We've been waiting for this. A year back when me and Dana were talking, a lot of you would ask, when will the market correct, sir? When will the market correct, Dana? Tell me, when can I go and have all out? We haven't even reached all out yet. And the market is corrected, and a lot of you are feeling very nervous because there's a lot of people sitting on the sidelines who are making fun of us. I understand that. People sitting on the sidelines saying, ha, you guys are fools. Your Tata Motors was 1,000 rupees, now it's 600 rupees or whatever. Your Natco was 1,000 plus, now it's nowhere. Ha. Look at your IndusInd Bank, ha. I understand it. The crowd always mocks the players in the field. That's a game. That's the name of the game. If you cannot put up with that kind of mocking, don't read it. Don't go to social media and read it. You already know the companies you're investing in. You don't need to see these videos. You don't need to read those comments. You don't need to go on Instagram and see those memes of traders and, MoneyPechu investors or whatever they're making fun of. You don't need to see it. You know what you're doing. Do it quietly. Go on building it. Because end of the day, 10 years from now, 15 years from now, these comments, these guys who you don't even know who are having an effect on you, won't even matter. Because at that point of time, you'll be where you want to be. Your destination would have reached. And there, you'll be happy. I know these mental games, it's very difficult to, put your mind at ease. But try. And like I said, today was the last day for the week. Next week, Monday is a holiday. So it will be a short week and be a new month. And we're ticking along. And I will talk in greater detail on Tuesday about, a lot of you have been asking me if I want to liquidate. I've been investing for 2 years, 3 years with Anand. But suddenly an emergency is coming or a sudden expense has come. What do I pick in my portfolio to sell? Should I sell what has the most loss, or should I sell what has the most profit, or should I sell gold and hold on to the stocks? I will answer this question on Tuesday. So look out for that video. That will be an interesting video where I'll tell you how to liquidate in your portfolio to meet your requirement. And then after meeting the requirement, how do you invest back what you have sold? That will be an interesting discussion. And I'm sure a lot of you are already asking me, why can't you talk about it now, you dumbass? We are waiting. Why are you making me wait 3 days for this when I need to sell today? Fortunately, you can't sell anymore because the markets are closed and market is closed on Monday. So don't worry about it. When it does come time to sell, it will be Tuesday and I'll definitely be helping you out over there. Other than that, I do say enjoy your long weekend. 3 days off for those of you who have it. Those of you who don't have 3 days off, who have 2 days off or just a day off, I understand, even I'm working. I work on Saturdays, I work on Sundays. Rupesh knows because Rupesh is working with me too. So, hey, and all of you, please put in comments down below congratulating my friend Rupert. He's been engaged and he's a very happy man. He's sitting pretty and the boy has a few more months of bachelorhood where he'll be doing this work with me. And then probably he'll say, sir, wife is calling me, sir. I have to go home. So I understand. Life does happen. See, this is a wonderful thing. Markets come, markets go. The life keeps happening. And we all congratulate from our whole entire team. We're congratulating Rupesh. So please give him a early wedding gift and give a lot of likes and lots of comments and lots of wishes in this video. He does read them. So trust me, he'll deeply appreciate every single comment that he gets. Thanks for watching Bearish today. I hope you had a wonderful day and I hope you managed to get some investing. Don't worry about the FIIs and the REIs. Focus on the stocks which are there in hand. When you see value, keep sipping and keep investing in increments and we will get there. I promise you we will get there. Don't worry about the rest. Thanks for watching Bearish. Again, see you on tomorrow. Bye.